Action.
No, like this. What do I do?
Put the hat on now.
Why?
Let's see how you look with it on. Oh, you look good. Can you get it on there? Oh, there you go. Perfect. That's too low. Ah, that's better. Very good. Oh. That hat fits you well. I like it. You look like Butch Cassidy.
Well, I'm a cat.
Sundance Kid. You're too close.
Okay, look at you.
Oh. You're too close.
Look at you.
What's your name?
This is Mr. Hat.
Mr. Hat? Mr. Hat. Can you wear that hat? There you go.
No, you do.
I think you look very handsome in that. Yep. Very handsome. I think you should get more hats. What do you think? More hats?
Get it off.
Get it off.
Get it off, please.
You know what people do? They tip their hat like this. Tip it like... Pretty good.
Like this?
Yeah, they tip it at an angle like that. You look good in hat.